Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Fujifilm X-E4 paired with this little guy, the Fujifilm XF 27mm F2.8 R WR Lens. Let's take a look at the spec first. We have a 26.1 X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4 to give you outstanding image quality, superb low light performance and incredibly fast autofocus. Packed inside here, we also have Fujifilm's latest face and eye detection technology. Video-wise, the X-E4 oversamples 6K footage to record at 4K 30, 420 8-bit internally and 4K 30 422 10-bit externally via the HDMI. You've also got the option to record full HD at 240 frames per second for that super slow-mo footage. 30 frames per second continuous shooting and 18 of Fujifilm's film simulation modes, including the Eterna bleach bypass. First impressions, well, we all know Fujifilm make good looking cameras, and that is exactly what you get with the X-E4. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's stylish, and let's be honest, unless you give it a proper close-up look, you'd be forgiven for not noticing any differences from its predecessors. The biggest differences being the addition of a 3-inch LCD touchscreen, which is now tilty, making it ideal for vlogging or selfies, and the removal of the rear control dial. Some other buttons have also been shuffled around too, which gives the design a much cleaner and sleeker looking look. We've still got the 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder with 100 frames per second refresh rate and a built-in eye sensor. Same battery as with the X-E3, which should give you roughly 500 shots per charge, 600 if you're shooting in economy mode. And the cool thing is now that if you are out and about and you run out of juice, you can actually charge and power the camera via a USB-C cable. So if you've got a power bank to hand, you can plug in and continue shooting. There is just something really nice about shooting with a Fujifilm camera. The fact that every control has got its own dial. So you really need to spend that time to think about the image you want to capture and how you're going to go about doing that. But what about those times when you just need to capture a photo quickly? Well, Fujifilm have thought of that, and on the X-E4, this little guy comes in handy. A new P program position has been added to the shutter speed dial, which now allows you to switch to program auto shooting quickly and conveniently with just the turn of a dial. Giving you the best of both worlds. You've got all the fun of the conventional dials without any of the pressure when you're short on time. I should definitely be showing this lens some appreciation. The Fujifilm XF 27mm is incredible. It's small, it's lightweight, it's pancakey, it's an f2.8 aperture. What more do you want? Featuring an aperture ring with f-stop scale, so you can easily and visually check your settings without the need to look at a screen or viewfinder, as well as the auto position lock, which will prevent any unintentional adjustments of the lens's aperture while it's being used. It's also weather resistant and sharp. I'm impressed. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Fujifilm X-E4 and XF 27mm, then head on over to Jessops.com now or click on the link that's in our description. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.